Good afternoon, Principal Wilson here with this week's update, 9/10. Want to quickly just mention this. We've been celebrating, or not celebrating, recognizing what happened 20 years ago on September the 11th. Our students have certainly had some learning experiences today to help them understand the significance of that moment in our country. We can certainly reflect over the weekend where we were and how our country reacted to that tragedy, and I quite frankly think we can all learn a little bit from those days post 9/11, moving forward in today's world, and come together and get through this pandemic together. So with that being said, I want to mention to you where we are with masks. The high school will end their mask mandate at the end of today. We at the middle school will go one more day, Monday, September the 13th. We have a few more cases in the high school, and we want to just monitor that over the weekend. But we fully anticipate being mask free on September the 14th, Tuesday, September the 14th. We want to thank you, and we certainly appreciate your support and your understanding of what's going on and trying to balance this at the school level. With that being said, I want to also recognize the hard work that your students and your teachers have put in the first 4.5 weeks of school. Students are doing very well in their classes. There are lots of rigorous learning happening. I want to encourage all of you this weekend to please check your parent portals, check in on your students' grades. The first 4.5 week grades have been posted. This is a critical time. Make sure your students are getting off on the right foot. So we need to work together to hold them accountable for turning in their assignments. So please get with your child this weekend, look through their grades, make sure we get any of those missing assignments turned in. And if you need to give them a little kicking, you know what, to get the work done, let's do it this weekend. We appreciate y'all. Go Bears. Have a wonderful Saturday and Sunday.